What is up YouTube, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the different ways of targeting a muscle. In this video, specifically glutes. And we're going to look at the ways of targeting glutes in all different angles. So I'm going to take you through the exercises of all the angles to get the perfect glute session. Let's go. So when you train a muscle, you can extend the muscle in a lengthen and shorten position. We're going to start with 3 exercises for the shorten position when we're training glutes. So to make it super clear, for example, when doing a Romanian deadlift, stretching out and extending all down will be the lengthen position of targeting your glutes as you are fully stretched. Versus when you're doing a hip thrust, coming up in the squeeze, that will be the top of the exercise, will be the heaviest for the exercise, which will be the shorten position of your glutes and targeting your glutes. So first exercise to extend in the shorten position of the glutes will be a kickback, as this will be the heaviest in the squeeze at the top. This will be the shorten position targeting your glutes. Hip thrusts is an exercise that I have to have in my glute sessions. This will be for the shorten position of your glutes, as this is more of a squeeze exercise instead of an extended and stretched out exercise. Doing this one allows you as well to load on a lot of weights and really push that squeeze in the top to target the glutes. So last exercise in my list of the shorten position of the glutes will be a hyperextension. Also an exercise that I love to finish my glute exercises with, glute sessions with. Coming into this, pointing your toes a little bit outwards to really hit the glutes. Coming down, squeezing at the top. So this will be the heaviest in the top, which will make it the shorten position and targeting the glutes. So moving over to the lengthen position of training the glutes. And first exercise, and a favorite of mine, is RDLs. And this will be, when we're talking about the lengthen position, this will be the stretch in the exercise, which will happen here. And where the exercise is the heaviest is in the bottom of this exercise, where it's fully stretched back here. So we're gonna pick up some weights, doing an RDL-ish, so shoulder wide, pushing your glutes back, keeping slightly bended knees, pushing back. Heaviest in the bottom, coming up. Next exercise for the lengthen position, which you see me do a lot on my glute days, are Bulgarian split squats. This will be the lengthen position because this is the heaviest in the bottom, pushing up. Full stretch in the bottom, pushing up. Also, the glute exercise to target your glutes. Last exercise for the lengthen position will be a step up, because this will be the heaviest in the bottom, pushing up, coming all down. So this is fully stretched, coming up. When you want to target your glutes doing this, lean a little bit forward, put all your weights on your heel, and then pushing up. So the glutes are divided into 3 muscle groups, which is glute max, glute medius, and glute minimus. Glute medius and medius is located up on the side of your glutes. And these can also be super good to isolate from time to time. I'll show you 2 exercises, really simple exercises, because you don't have to do it. We're not going to make it harder than it has to be. So we're going to do 2 different exercises for these specific areas of the glutes. So first exercise is super simple. You've seen it 1,000 times before, but there's a reason for it. And that is the hip abduction machine, pushing outwards and targeting the area. Next exercise, and the last exercise for this video, is kickbacks and medius kickbacks. Instead of doing regular kickbacks, kicking straight back, we're gonna do a slightly on the side kick. I personally like to stand on 2 plates to get up a little bit, and resting leg, putting that over the cable. So this will be your position. Working leg is behind. And from here, pushing on the side. And this will be more of a neutral position to standing when doing the exercise. But you can also step down on the floor and just do this if you prefer. I personally like to stand like this and kicking up on the side. Super good exercise. So obviously there's a lot of good exercises to target the glutes from both the lengthen and the shorten position. I will write a list down below. Pick one of each from this list to hit all the angles of the glutes. Let me know what you think about this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you never miss the video. Love you guys.